morning students, welcome back to social studies. As what all we studied about previous class, we studied about art and craft, religious and trade commerce, right? Everybody did this homework. Yes, now we'll see about writings. Yes, the Egyptian writing was considered was a scared because this was a generally used the religious purpose. Yes, actually what are the Egyptian writings? You can see in the wall or in the tables or in the tombs or in the pyramids, those and all, it was considered very scared. Because why? They generally used in the only their religious purpose. Yes, the Egyptians developed a form of writing is called as hieroglyphic scripts, and it is Greek word meaning scared traveling. Yes, actually what all the Egyptians were developing to in the form of writing, those what they usually calls, they will call as hieroglyphic script. Hieroglyphic script. Yes, it is nothing but the meaning in Greek word, it is scared traveling. Okay, yes, now we'll see the Egyptian first used hieroglyphic only the inscription which they caroled painting on temples or wall. That language only they will use on the cases of only at the painting, when the carol were painting, or else whenever on the temple walls, especially it was written or it was implemented on the temple walls. Okay, this now we'll see. It is began, they use picture writing. Each picture shoots for a separate world. Yes, actually what happened, it beginning, they use that picture of writing, that each picture separate the world. About what we'll see, about 2000 picture sign have been founded in that ancient pyramids. You can see this ancient pyramid. This is nothing but ancient pyramid. Upon this pyramid and temples, okay, upon the pyramid and temples, they can see 2000 pictures of signed. Because of what? They want to found on Asians. Okay, next we'll see. They wrote on paper and made with papyrus and water reeds. They wrote from right to left. Actually, it was reversible. We are unable to understand what they are writing. Okay, now how our words is from right to left, right? But what they'll do, they'll write at reverse. What they usually they'll do, they'll write in reversible. Okay, in reversible they'll write from left to right, left to right. As well as how it will be, it will be in the form of paper made papyrus. Okay, in that water reed, if you write, it will be from right to, we will write in straight format. But how it was, from there right to left, it was completely reversible. According to them, it was in the papyrus. Okay, and they a link they used, that writing was made up with water thick and with the gum and color shoots, vegetables and mineral dyes. The Egyptian rite can be found on the pyramid tombs, walls and clay tables. Okay, excuse me. Actually what happened, they usually linked that using that a writing were made with water thicked. In their water thick, they actually dip with gum, and they usually colored with the shoots, as well as on vegetables, on mineral dates. The Egyptian can write on, they founded on the pyramid tomb wall or the clay tables. Okay, see, if you see this only, we can got through. No, see, we can understand anything. No, it completely different. It completely in the form of reversible. Okay, yes, now we'll see favorite pastimes. What are those favorite pastimes? We'll see now. All the members of Egyptian socialized enjoyed some of that a recreational activity. The people were founded in sports such as swimming, hunting, that fishing, dancing, music, wrestling, and participation in religious festivals. Where other form that entertainment, children used the toys to clay ball and leather, that popular ball and dolls and animal toys. Yes, actually what happened, all the members all the members of Egyptian society, they enjoying in that some recreational specially activities. What all the activities were doing in Egyptian civilization? The people were founded in such cases of sports, see, sports, as well as in swimming, as well as in the dancing, as well as in the music, in wrestling, and in fishing, dancing, participation in other religious festival like hunting, etc. Okay, yes, where the other form to entertainment children as the toy with the clay ball and leather on the papyrus balls and dolls and animal toys. Is actually on those days the children were using the toys in the form of clay balls. In which form they usually consider in the play clay balls. How the children were playing? The children were playing in the clay balls and papyrus balls and dolls and animal toys. Okay, yes, next children we'll go through now about Egyptian civilization. Okay, how were those days the civilization? A market was the astronomical instrument used at Egyptian in the same way as that telescope is used today. Find out the more about that market and the telescope about using the internet. Compare the two astronomical objects and make a poster. Display that poster in your classes. Yes, we can't do this activity now because there is no classes, right? We'll go through when the classes will start. Now everybody go through the science. Okay, mathematics. What is mathematics? We'll see. The Egyptian calculate the, not according to us. I am not asking what is mathematics. I am asking according to the Egyptian peoples what is mathematics, I asked. Okay. Yes. The Egyptian calculate the number based on decimal and respective numericals numbers based on the powers of 10. Is actually what happened. The Egyptian peoples has calculated that numbers based on decimal as well as in a respective numerals. Yes, it was in the form of respective numerals. The numbers was based on the power of 10. The number was based on the power of 10. Okay, yes, they knew about fractions. They also had some basic knowledge of geometry. They used this knowledge for the construction of gigantic pyramid. Yes, now we'll see how what all that Egyptian peoples will know about mathematicians. We'll see they usually calculating in the based on decimal as well as respective numericals as well as in the number based on the power of 10, in only in the power of 10, as well as they know about fractions too. Okay, and they also know few basic knowledge about that geometrical, okay, or a geometry. It was used this knowledge for the construction of their pyramid. What all the pyramid they did? They built the pyramid, right, on that gigantic pyramid construction. Because of this geometric on that based of that fractions and some decimal geometry, each and everything on the construction of gigantic construction of that gigantic pyramid they did. Clear? Okay, next we'll see about medicine. The doctor of ancient Egyptian combined that magical spells with the remedies. Both the pesticides and doctor were called upon to heal the sick. Yes, actually, those in Egyptian period, the doctor is also a ancient. Okay, there was a combined that some magical spells with their remedies, by which by both pesticides as well as doctor, both they were combined, they were only called up with upon the heal and sick. Okay, yes, and mummies were prepared that thousands of years ago, and yet they were only preserved today. And this tells us the ancient Egyptian people have advanced knowledge of medicine and the human bodies. Yes, mummies is nothing but it was prepared before 1,000 years of ago. Okay, in the 1,000 years of ago. It not only they preserved today, they also tells about ancient Egyptian peoples had as advanced knowledge of the medicine and the human body. Okay, yes, next we'll see astronomy. The Egyptian studied the movement of heaven bodies to predict a natural phenomenon. The river Nile flooded every year at the same time when the stars Sirius rose before the sun. This event was marked as one day of a calendar year. Yes, and the Egyptian calendar was 365 days and 12 months, with the 30 days of each month and 5 feast days of end of each year. And various tools are used while painting and designing the placements of pyramid temples. One of these tools were called as market, which means indicator, a market of small wooden plank with the hole of at one hand. That ancient testament would look at that hole, that angel that decides until this target the star alike and accurate. Okay, it is nothing but children. However, that in now the previous that calendars of Egyptian calendars was, it is also considering that 365 days, in that the 12 months and 30 days of each month, but in that 5 fest days were they are considering in the end of the each days. Okay, those and all we were considering. Next we'll see the decline of Egypt civilization. What we can see, the decline of Egypt civilization. The rich culture of Egypt that latest the longer period of Alexander the Greater, king of a magic done a Greek invention. The Egypt as arrest the decline of mighty civilization. Internal rewards that other foreign inventions also waked an empire that destroyed whatever that remained at the ancient civilization. The Egypt civilization left behind that several legacies such as the pyramid temples and mummies and solar calendars, etc. Those on Egypt civilization, there was some declining. Okay, in that rich culture of Egypt that last a long period of Alexander. Who were the king, the greater king on that period? Yes, Macedon. Macedon was in a Greece. His invention as a Egypt that annexed is not only that it declined might be in civilization, okay, as well as in other foreign invention is also, it was a very weak of the empire. They destroyed whatever they remains in an non-Asian civilization. Okay, as well as the Egypt civilization left behind that several that leistic such as pyramid and temples and mummies and solar calendars, etc. Now I wind up this chapter. Now we'll see that second unit at the next class with the new chapter, which is that Harappan and Chinese civilization. We'll see at next class. Okay, bye students, meet you up at next class.